How to delete a YouTube short from your channel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete a YouTube short from your channel. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your YouTube. After you open up your YouTube, simply head over to your channel. To do that, first go to You on the bottom right, and you will see view channel option right besides your username. Tap on view channel, and after you tap on view channel, you'll need to head over to shorts. Now under shorts, you will see all of your options, that is all of your shorts, and you will see three dots on the top right corner of each shorts. So to delete this, you'll need to tap on it, tap on the three dots, and then you will see the delete option. Tap on delete, confirm it, and you're good to go. As you can see, the upload has been deleted. Now you can do this to any other shorts too, as you can see right here. And that is how you delete it. And it's that simple, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.